Welcome to a high-intensity Tabata workout designed to help you shed those extra pounds in just 20 minutes. Get ready to push your limits and boost your metabolism with this effective weight loss Tabata routine. Each exercise in this workout is designed to maximize calorie burn and sculpt your body. Stay focused and give it your all as we move through a series of fat-burning Tabata intervals. Feel the burn as you engage your muscles and work towards a leaner, healthier you. Remember to breathe deeply and stay hydrated throughout this challenging but rewarding workout. Keep up the intensity and embrace the sweat as you power through each Tabata round. You're on your way to a stronger, fitter version of yourself with every rep and every second of this workout. Finish strong and feel proud of the effort you've put in towards your weight loss goals today. Congratulations on completing this Tabata workout. You're one step closer to your fitness journey's success.